Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today, June 18th, I am going to attempt to hand pollinate a zucchini. So if you want to see how it's done, stay tuned. Okay, this should be a short video today. What we have here is, I got two flowers. We have one with a zucchini and one regular flower. We're going to attempt to hand pollinate it. So let me get the camera down here and see what I can do. Alright, this is about the best angle I could get you. Here's what we're going to do. We are just going to pick this flower right here. See all the pollen down on the inside? This is what we're wanting. So we're going to separate these flowers and get to strictly just the pollen. And then, so what we're going to do is take this right here and just rub it all over. We should be good to go. Hopefully this works. I appreciate you. See y'all next time. And remember, smile while you still have teeth.